I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. My mic was on my Oculus mic, but okay. Here, here is how to get free SoundPad without Steam. Here, see, I can't even show you. Library home. I only have these games, and I only have SoundPad demo. So this is demo. Don't have any other game. And here's how you get it. First, honestly, don't remember which one it was, so I'm just gonna look through here and just wait until I find it. Okay, I found it. It's JKL server. If you're already in, you're good. So once you're in, just scroll down till you find your soundboard sound. And then you might be all the way down here, but just go up until you find this. Download it. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna do it. But if you have it, then it'll be like a zip. So you want to extract it by pressing extract here. I'm not gonna do it. And then when you're done with that, it's gonna show this. Just open it, and then click on this specifically. Don't do anything else. This is this. And look, it's alright, I already have it open, and then here's all the sounds that you could possibly have. And I think this isn't demo, unless you have, I think, because on my other account, which I'm debating on Philzag, yeah, what are you gonna do about it? On my other Steam account, I have SoundPad that was like full, so I don't know if it's that, but I think it's free, but I don't know, but you have to check it out yourself, so, peace.